What is passive voice? Passive voice occurs when the verb acts upon the subject of a sentence. The subject receives the action. Using passive voice can often create unclear, indirect, or wordy sentences. When a writer uses passive voice, they use a conjugated form of the verb to be, followed by a verb's past participle, creating a passive form of the verb. Passive voice construction often includes a preposition as well, like by. In this example, the subject does not complete the action, making the sentence passive. The book is being read by the woman. Passive voice can also occur if the subject of the sentence is missing. The whole forest was destroyed. The subject is missing. Who or what destroyed the forest? Here are some example sentences written in passive voice that identify the subject. The novel was read by the student in one day. The permission slip had been signed by his mom. The project is being completed by the entire class. Here are a couple passive voice examples that do not identify the subject. Scholarship applications must be received by the end of the month. It has been estimated that the test will take 3 hours. To avoid using passive voice, follow a few simple steps. Step 1. Identify the subject. Step 2. Identify the verb. Step 3. Identify the object. Step 4. Place the subject before the verb. Step 5. Place the object after the verb. Consider this example. Disney World is visited by thousands of tourists each day. To change this to an active sentence, reposition the subject and object so the subject is before the main verb. Thousands of tourists visit Disney World each day. While it is often recommended that writers avoid passive voice, there are instances where its use is appropriate. When the subject is unknown or irrelevant. When the writer wants to avoid naming the subject or wants to emphasize the object rather than the subject. When writing general truths, and in scientific or technical writing.